Now it's time to say goodbye to chi-square test and measures of association. And now let's have a look back at now let's have a look back at so far what we have seen. So so now we are in summarizing data. So now let's look into the navigational map of summarizing data and try to figure out where we are. So we are done with measures of central tendency. So we have seen mean, median, mode. Then we moved on to the measures of dispersion or variability. Here we have seen a range, variance, standard deviation, interquartile range, and mean absolute deviation. Then we moved on to the measures of shapes. Here we have seen the skewness. It's degree of distortion, kurtosis, and degree of peakedness and flatness, and then histogram, which will give you the distribution of the data and a pictorial representation of the distribution of the data. Then we moved on to the percentiles and then quartiles, which divides your whole data into 4 parts, decals, which divides your whole data into 10 parts. So percentiles, quartiles, decals. Then after that we moved on to the measures of association, a widely used tool in data science, that is correlation, covariance, scatter plot, cross tabulation, and chi-square test. Correlation, covariance are used to find the correlation between the continuous or discrete variables of numerical type, and scatter plot is used to pictorially represent the respective correlation. And then we have cross tabulation, which is used to find out the association between the categorical variable, whereas the chi-square test is used to find out the significance of the respective association between the categorical variables, which is found out from the cross tabulation. So with this, we have successfully completed the summarizing data. Now let's look into the overall picture, a comprehensive overview and of types of descriptive statistics. So in this, so far we have seen organizing data. In organizing data, we have completed data sorting, data categorization, data tabulation, and data visualization. Then we moved on to the summarizing data. So here we have completed measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, measures of shape or variability, measures of shape, then percentiles, quartiles, decals, and measures of association. So now the last nail on the coffin. So the last tool category in the types of descriptive statistics is additional categories. So in additional categories, what I did is whatever tools that doesn't comes under organizing data and summarizing data, I have named it as a separate category called as an additional category. In additional category, we'll be looking into the data reduction, data transformation, outlier detection, and data imputation. So here, just a minute. Yep. So this is our additional categories. So this is what we are going to see now, additional categories. So additional categories consists of data reduction. In data reduction, techniques for reducing the complexity of size of data, such as sampling, aggregation, dimensionality reduction method. Then we will also look into the data transformation methods, such as normalization, outlier detection. We'll try to find out the outliers using G-scores. Then we'll do data imputation. So techniques for filling in missing values in a data set is known as a data imputation. We'll be looking into all these things now.